good day. The four main engines to any economy is first consumer spending and housing, which can be up to 75% of GDP depending on the country and its current situation. The second is the business investments in buildings, inventory, machinery, which can be up to 13% of the GDP. Third, government spending, which can be up to 20% of the GDP. Finally, exports, which usually come within range of 12% of the GDP. See, by keeping a track of these engines, you can make a better decision on macro investing level on regard to the company or the country you are investing in. With that, see you next time.